Well, if you're planning to go to Russia, I have a very good news for you. For Indian passport holders, getting to Russia has never been easier. Today I'm breaking down Russia's unified e-visa. It's 100% online, takes only 4 days, and you don't even need a lot of documents for that. Before we get into the process, here's a major update. In 2026, the stay duration has been extended, and now you can stay up to 30 days in Russia, and the visa is valid for 120 days from the day of it being issued. This is a huge jump from the previous 16 days limit. Now let's talk about document checklists. You only need 3 documents for this: your passport, your photographs, and of course the travel insurance. Let's talk about the procedure. Google Russian e-visa, click on the link that shows processing of an e-visa, give a read to these 20 terms and conditions, and then proceed for filling out new application form. If you're a new user, you need to register your email ID with your password, give your working email, a password. A link will be sent on an email ID to authenticate it. On this page, click for apply for new e-visa, add your passport size photo, nothing special, very basic requirement. Adjust the size by scrolling. Next, add your personal details like nationality, type of passport, upload the photo of your passport, and fill in rest of the details. After this, move to the next page, visit details. Similarly, continue filling the details as mentioned on this. Now this part is a bit confusing. In the column which person you're going to visit, you need to choose individuals and then you could name anyone, it doesn't matter. In fact, for address and telephone, just write address of any random hotel you choose to. Nobody checks that. Same thing goes for where you're planning to stay fields. Add your locality, type of accommodation, name of hotel, organization's address, etc, etc. And just like that, fill out all the details. Next, you have your marital status and relative information. Nothing too difficult. It's your father's and mother's information. Finally, your contacts and employment tab. Very basic information as shown on the screen. And finally, any other information like crimes and conflicts done by you. Finally, in the summary tab, check out all information. Click all the checkout boxes and finally click the payment. As you can see on the screen, the current Russian visa fee is 5,054 rupees. After everything is processed, you'll get something like this on your email. You don't even need a print of it, just keep it on your phone. And this is your guide to Russia's e-visa. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and I'll be sharing my full itinerary of Russia in coming videos. So see you in Red Square.